Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check the search history on Snapchat, and we'll help you to launch the Snapchat application. And from here, we're going to tap on the search icon. And in case that I did search for somebody, it's going to appear here recent. As you can see, these are the people that I did search for. And another alternative that I can actually do is by going back. Then I'm going to tap on my profile and I'm going to tap on the gear icon. From there, I'm going to tap on my data, which is located at the bottom with a page. From there, I'm going to download my search. As you can see, I had already exported one, but let's say I wanted to show you how to do that. We are going to make sure that we are only downloading our history. And by that, I am going to unlink some of the ticks that are here. And then maybe we're going to read those two. Going to tap on it, to tap on next, and from there I am going to choose my git. From there, once I'm done, I'm going to tap on next, and then I'm going to tap on create files. From there, you're going to send me a link telling me or a notification telling me that they have downloaded my chat history and support history. From there, once I tap on it, I'm going to be able to view all the works, searches that I have searched on Snapchat. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.